In this video, we're going to unbox the durable mattress queen size flippable 137 pounds and 14-inch mattress. We're going to see the first impressions and get a feel about the mattress. And on the second video, we're going to go over all the details about its durability, firmness, comfort, coolness, and motion transfer and etc. so you can make an informed decision about if this mattress is the one that you're looking for. So let's get started, let's have some fun, and let's unbox the durable mattress. This is Nestle, and you have watched the unboxing video of the durable mattress from durablemattress.com. It's all in the details, which we will cover in the second review video. So I'll see you guys there. Until then, sleep well, rest well, and take care of yourself.